So hello everyone, welcome to my new gaming vlog. So we are going to play Subway Surfer now. Let's go. Yay! So we are going more. So now let's go. Yay! Oh, okay. Let's go. Yes, we got this. I like this. I do really like it. But wait, I got it again. What was that magic? Oh my god, that was a good magic. Still, let's go. We got a magnet, that means it can take all the coins. So, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I was going. Oh. I was just going to be out. I was gonna fall down from that train. Again? I will take it. Why won't I? That is my chubby shacks. They're mine. Nobody should take it. Oh, star. I have 2 straws. I have 2 straws left. No, I took 2 straws, but I need more 3 stars. Oh! I was a lot scared. My brain was just bomb. It was just talking and then I just saw. Oh! I'm going to fall. See, now I got a bit hurt, but that's okay. So now, let's go. OMG. Oh, I'm gonna hit this. I was saved by God. Oh. Ooh. Probably just die. And that means I cannot continue and the video will be over now. So I really want to continue. At least I need 5 minutes. At least I should continue till 5 minutes. 5 or 4 minutes are enough. Because who will watch that long video and who can do that much long? Who can wait. Who can even play that much long? That is why I only play till 10 minutes, not more than it. If sometime I did play, tell me in the comments. If I did. If I didn't do, that means don't tell. Please. Because I really want to continue the game. So oh my god! Oh my god, I was just going to fall. Woo. That was good, but still. Oh, this is the speedest level I ever saw. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, sir. Oh, yes, a key. I love it. Finally. So please guys, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So many of you didn't like, share and subscribe me. Please do it. I'm telling you, it will be nice for me. So please comment which game should I play next. Please like, share and subscribe. Please follow even. Bye. See you in the next gaming vlog.